Hi! Well, I am excited to share today's fun activity with you. You know, Play-Doh is an amazing toy for little ones. It allows so much creativity and discovery. It provides a wide range of sensory stimulation. Why am I saying this? Well, in our last video, I shared with you a couple of activities with Play-Doh. And today, I am here to share with you a fun recipe. Any guesses? Well, I'm sure this is an easy one. We are going to make Play-Doh. Well, making Play-Doh is a quick and fun activity that you can do at home with very little ingredients. You surely have everything to make this homemade Play-Doh with your babies. This is going to be fun. Let's have a look. Oh, hey, wait. Did you subscribe? You sure don't want to miss out on these fun weekly updates. Please subscribe. And let's go. So quickly, let's have a look at the supplies. We took a bowl, spoon, 1 cup maida, half cup water and half cup salt. Let's get started. So first we're going to take maida, put it in a bowl, and we're going to add salt. So we took 1 cup maida and half cup salt. I'm going to mix it nice. Now before we put in water, we are going to take food color. Just a little drop of it. There you go. We can put some more, I think. Just a couple of drops. If you have powdered food color, that would be amazing. So I had liquid, which is fine too, I think. Now we're going to take half cup water and we're going to mix it in. Keep stirring it. For tiny little kids, I think we will have to help them with this. But for a little older ones, they can do this activity. It's a fun activity where they can make clay. So we keep mixing it well. You can use your hands instead of the spoon. I think it will be even more easier. So when kids are making this, it's a great fine motor activity. Kids are using their fingers to mold clay. This really helps with their pencil grip. Makes their hand muscles stronger. You can add a little water if you want, but I think half a cup is good enough. It is a very simple activity. We simply, and there are not many ingredients that we need. This is a hands-on activity that with things available at home. So we took maida, water and salt and some food color. If you don't have food color, we can also use watercolors. So you can just mix a little bit of watercolor as well. Here we are. So we have our pink Play-Doh ready. There you go. You put it in a airtight container and we are done. There you go. And now we can do whatever we want, right? Do you want to guess what letter am I making? That's letter M. M for Muskan. There you go. So this is a great activity. I'll show you one more wherein we can quickly use another color. We are putting in atta, maida, 1 cup maida, half cup salt, half cup water, and we are ready. Mix it. Oh, I didn't put. So I have green color as well. I'm gonna make a clay with 2 different colors. I'll put some more because pink was a little less. Add a little more. So here, like you see, like I told you, you can add a little water if needed. For the red one, I didn't need water, but for this one, I need a little bit. So we can add a little bit of water. And here we are, we're ready. See? There you go. We can show this in slow motion as well. So, there. So we are ready with pink and green. There. Put this away. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and I'm sure you're going to do this with your kids very soon. Please do share your feedback with us. I would love to hear from you. Please subscribe to my channel to get these weekly updates. We have some fun, easy hands-on activities for you and your little ones.